Is your TV screen flickering and driving you crazy? You're not alone. This is a very common TV problem. Flickering can look like flashing, dimming, or lines. It may happen randomly or continuously. First, make sure everything is safe. Turn off the TV before checking connections. A loose power cable can cause flickering. Unplug it and plug it back securely. Faulty outlets can cause unstable power. Power strips may cause voltage fluctuations. A surge protector provides stable power. External devices are common causes. Damaged HDMI cables cause screen flicker. Reconnect the cable properly. A faulty port can be the issue. Try using a new HDMI cable. Remove all devices and test the TV. If built-in apps work fine, the TV is okay. The problem may be the input source. Switch inputs to check. Incorrect settings can cause flicker. Refresh rate mismatch causes flickering. Set it to default or recommended. Motion enhancement can cause flicker. Dynamic contrast may create flashing. Extreme backlight levels cause instability. Resetting restores default settings. Software bugs can cause flicker. Update your TV software. A simple restart can fix issues. Unplug for 1 minute and retry. Room lighting can affect perception. Low-quality bulbs cause interference. Nearby devices can cause interference. Poor cable signal causes flickering. Weak signals cause instability. Streaming flicker may be internet-related. Test different content sources. Older TVs may develop panel issues. Overheating can cause flicker. Ensure proper ventilation. Wall mounts can trap heat. Internal hardware may be failing. Random flicker suggests electrical issues. Unstable power affects TVs. A stabilizer protects your TV. Contact support if nothing works. Check if your TV is under warranty. Don't open the TV yourself. Sometimes replacement is cheaper. Start with cables, settings, and power. Most flickering issues are easy to fix. Good setup prevents future problems. A stable screen improves viewing. Now you know what to do. Always troubleshoot first. Simple fixes can save money. Technology should make life easier. Regular checks prevent problems. Thanks for watching.